Yo, what's up guys, Flash here with another video. Today we're going to talk about CLEANOCEAN. Before we start the video, I want to say that please like, subscribe, turn notifications, because it really helps me and motivates me doing more of this content. So, getting into the token itself, this token is helping the ocean. So they're cleaning the ocean, donating small amounts to the charity in charge of cleaning the oceans. Their goal is to remove 90% of the floating ocean plastic. Let's get right into Tokenomics and see how this token works. So the original supply is 1 quadrillion tokens, 30% of it was burned on launch. There is a 11% tax on transactions, so 5% being redistributed to holders, 5% getting back to liquidity, and 1% donated weekly to charity for cleaning the ocean. So by holding tokens, you will be yielding and you'll be rewarded with a 5% transaction, which puts ocean cleaning directly into your wallet every time someone buys or sells. It's very new, it's only 1 day old, and it already has 2,500 addresses and over 8,000 transfers, so that's a lot for just 1 day. I want to take a look at the chart. The chart is looking very bullish as it's almost taking another all-time high. By the way, this is not financial advice or anything. Everything I'm saying right now is meant and be taken as education purposes only. Let's take a look at their roadmap. So in phase 1, they want the token launch, website launch, white paper, community building, community contest, CoinGecko listing, and CoinMarketCap listing, as they've already completed the token launch and the website launch. On the phase 2, they want a delta listing, blockfolio listing, and getting merch. And in phase 3, they want to get NFTs and a lot more to be announced in the future, as it's only 1 day old. They don't have much to offer. I want to show you guys how fast it is to buy CLEANOCEAN. So firstly, you'll need MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Transfer BNB to your MetaMask. It has to be on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, with the BNB, you have to swap it to CLEANOCEAN. Go on their website or just copy this contract address. After that, you're going to be redirected to this web page where it's going to put CLEANOCEAN and BNB. Now just click on swap. Don't forget the slippage tolerance to be on 11% or more. So let's try on 11%. Yes, it works. MetaMask will open a notifications over here. Just click on confirm and there you go. That's how easy it is. As well as they have social medias as Telegram and Discord. Please join the Discord. The link is going to be in the description, where you can find a very active community with over 1,700 members. That being said, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, turn notifications, and let's clean the oceans. Flash out.